Hi guys, my name is Innocent and I want to welcome you to the AI, Artificial Intelligence and Automation course for digital marketers. If you are in the digital marketing space or you want to learn how to sell products and services, be it your product and services or you're an affiliate marketer, then this course is for you. Now in this course we would learn a couple of things, but the bone of or the meat of the course is teaching you how you can leverage artificial intelligence and automation tools to enhance the work you do on a daily basis. Okay, so as digital marketers, our core job description is really to generate leads or sell products and services. Okay, so how do you do this? How do you generate leads? How do you sell products and services using AI and automation? So there are tools available, and we have chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud. We'll look at all these tools in this course. We'll look at prompt engineering and a whole lot of others. So what should you be expecting from this course? Okay, now in this course we're going to look at the following. Number one, would introduce you to AI and automation as a digital marketer. We'll look at chatbots like I mentioned earlier, chatbots like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, X Grok, Cloud, and many more chatbots available. And then we'll look at prompt engineering. Now it's not about knowing these tools, but your ability to provide the correct prompt would really make your results stand out. Okay, so now it's really garbage in, garbage out. What you give to these tools is what you ultimately get out as a response. Now we'll also look at AI powered content creation and curation. Now one of the major things we do in digital marketing is create and curate content. So how can you use AI to create better content, okay, and curate better content? We'll look at this in the course. We'll also look at AI powered copywriting. Okay, everything we do in digital marketing, or almost everything, is powered by copy. Okay, so how do you write copy, compelling copy that would, enable your audience to perform a specific action at the end of the day? We'll look at this in the course. We'll also look at AI powered data insights and segmentation. So how do you do analytics with artificial intelligence? How do you do segmentation? And then we'll look at AI powered SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, as you already know. But what is the role of artificial intelligence in today's search engine optimization is one of the questions we will answer in this course. We'll look at marketing automation. Okay, so how can you automate a lot of the processes that you a lot of the day-to-day processes that you do? And then finally, the future of AI and automation in marketing. So what's the future, and what should we expect going forward with this new rave of artificial intelligence? I want to welcome you once again to the course, and I can't wait to see you inside.